30 years since the California Bar Association last revised its ethics rules. Now they're considering some new regulations, one of which bans sexual relationships with clients. Eyewitness News reporter Matt Boone joins us now with why some lawyers disagree with the ban. Matt?
Dave, while some relationships are prohibited, there is not an outright ban on having a consensual sexual relationship with a legal client. That actually came as a surprise to one attorney I spoke to today, who says he believes the new regulations are just common sense, but not all lawyers agree.
Here's something interesting.
In the boardroom of the chain Cohn Stiles law firm,
A member shall not require or demand sexual relations with a client.
attorney James Yoro reads over the current state bar ethics rules, which ban members of the bar from having sex with clients, but only if it's coerced, quid pro quo, or affects an attorney's competency.
But it's not an outright ban.
That is what the state bar has proposed, making any sexual relationship, consensual or not, subject to discipline.
This kind of conduct is pretty much commonsensical, but I understand maybe it needs to be expressed very clearly, very explicitly, so that there is no misunderstanding. And maybe that's the reason why.
Whatever the reason, some lawyers are pushing back. The Los Angeles County Bar Association's Ethics Committee wrote in a comment the new rules would be, quote, patronizing to clients and unreasonably prohibitive where the client is sophisticated and not vulnerable. And a dissent filed by James Ham, a lawyer who specializes in ethics, says their proposal would be a, quote, overly intrusive and overbroad regulation of private affairs between consenting adults. While Yoro agrees there are some privacy concerns, he believes attorneys should be held to higher standards.
One of the tenets of legal ethics is that we should not only try to avoid impropriety, but even the appearance of impropriety.
Yoro, who will soon become the president of the Kern County Bar Association, says he plans to discuss this issue at an upcoming meeting to decide if they want to submit any comments. The state bar will make its final decision next spring, which must be approved by the California Superior Court. In studio, Matt Boone, Eyewitness.